What's up guys, what's going on? I know I promised you some unboxing videos, some content for the channel since, I can't travel at the moment. So coming at you with the first unboxing video, and you'll probably see from the title, but we've got some earphones in here, some Bluetooth earphones from JBL. They're the JBL Live 300 TWS, I believe, but they've got really good reviews. Apparently they compete up there in terms of sound quality with like the Galaxy Buds. Apparently they're better than AirPods, all the top popular brands. And I was using some like real shitty Bluetooth earbuds off AliExpress just to sort of see if I liked the concept. And it's really good in Wellington, in New Zealand, because we have like really strong winds here. So, with the in-ear buds, you don't get the earphones blown out of your ears. Like seriously, that happens in Wellington. You'll have white earphones and they'll just blow out. It's crazy. But these are pretty cool. Should be good for work, for the gym. So yeah, I'm excited. So I'll take the camera around here and we'll get like an over the top view and then we can open this bad boy up. Okay, cool. That turned out pretty nicely. I've got a nice top down view here. I know it's back to front, but I don't know, it should be all good. I wonder if I should blur out my address. Probably. Anyway, let's turn that over. Got a shitty little pocket knife here, so should be good enough to open this box at least. Oh, yeah, let's get into it. Oh, so by the way, if you're wanting to know how much I paid for these, I think in New Zealand at least, the normal retail price is like about $250. But I got these on Black Friday sale for about 110, 112, something like that. So I was pretty happy with that. So you can see it's what they look like. Went for the black and gold color. So pretty happy with that. And yeah, JBL Live 300 TW black. We've got Google Assistant, Alexa built in, Bluetooth. Oh, you can even see them. You're right at the back there. It's pretty cool. What else did I get in here? I'm not getting like paid to promote this, so I don't know if I want to say where I got these from. I will anyway. I got these from the market. They're actually owned by the warehouse, but they have some pretty good deals. So they were like $125 plus 10% off for Black Friday. So that's pretty good. Oh, in to win a $50 coupon. Maybe I'll keep that. We'll get rid of this box and get to the earphones themselves. So take off the plastic packaging. Give you a nice clean shot there. Throw this away. Oh, I wish you saw that. It actually went in the box. So I'm just going to admire this packaging because I'm a fan of packaging. JBL by Harman. True wireless, ambient aware and talk through. Voice assistant. 100% sans fill. I don't know what that is. Ambient aware and talk through. Assistant vocal. And we got 20 hours of battery life. That's with the case. So you got 6 hours in the earbuds themselves, 14 hours in the case. On the back, yeah, it's just talking about the features again. So I think ambient assist means it sort of like detects what room you're in and does some sort of like noise cancellation, or alternately you can actually like enhance your hearing, which is cool. And voice assist I think means if someone talks to you while you're wearing them, it'll sense that and like turn down the volume or make it so that you can hear the person pretty much. But I think we just have to cut at the bottom here, so just cut through there. It's going pretty nicely. And then just pull this out. Oh, look at that. So satisfying. It's a nice box. I'll probably keep it. Oh no, we don't need to. There we go. Cool. So that's quite nice packaging. You got, that's what it looks like when you open the box. What does this say? This is just like the controls for the earphones. So you can tap them to enable the talk through feature or Google Assistant. Tap once to play and pause, tap twice to go next song, tap 3 times to go to the previous song, and on the other side you've got volume up and down. And then this is just how to pair them. I mean, that's pretty straightforward for most Bluetooth devices. So we'll pull that out and that sort of lifts this little foam thing up. And then there you've got the actual case. So we'll have a look at the case first, see what that's like. So this is sort of like a metallic-y, plasticky, it sort of feels like a little bit metal, but I think it's plastic. You've got USB-C there. I watched some other videos and that actually lights up when you charge them, so that's kind of cool. If we open that, that's where they sit in there. Put that to the sides. And the actual earbuds. What is this? What is this? Okay, I kind of failed at opening this one. I opened it from the side. I think it's got some like fancy way you meant to open it there. But this is pretty much like all your instruction manuals and shit. So I might read these. What do we got? That looks like a warranty. Instruction manual. Bluetooth. Oh no, Google Assistant. It's in Chinese. See if I can read it, because I can read some Chinese. Middle something person. Nah, I'm not very good at reading Chinese. Warranty cards. Cool. So, I don't know if you guys actually read this stuff, but I might have to. They seem pretty straightforward though, like the instructions were on the front. Pairing Bluetooth stuff isn't very difficult. Pull this tab up. And there are the earbuds themselves. So they look pretty nice. Let's get a close-up. Yeah, so you've sort of got this like side bit that clips into your ears, and then this bit sort of like has a snug fit as well. So it should be quite snug, but that's sort of what they look like. I'll do a test soon and tell you what they sound like. And then in here is most likely the charging cord, so the USB-C charging. Fast charging as well. You can get an hour of playtime out of 10 minutes charge. Oh yeah, so and they've just got like more of the ear tips for like whatever size your ear is for a more comfortable fit. Oh, police just went past. Uh-oh. And USB-C cord. Oh, and I like that, it's orange. That's kind of cool. Yeah, so main things, you got the buds and you got the case. But now I will go back to the previous view and we'll do a little test. Alrighty, I've set these bad boys up and I've got them in my ear. As you can see, they look pretty nice and shiny. Only one problem though, I'm filming this on my phone, so how am I going to play music? Well, luckily you just tap here and it will play some music, so let's use that to play a song first and test them out. Oh, there we go. I did pull up my Spotify on here so I can actually choose the song. So let's play some, no, not BTS. Maybe some like rap or something. What do we got here? Here we go, this is a good one. Young Lean Kyoto. How do you turn these up? I think you can. do me, I'ma do you, I'ma make mine, I'ma make mine. I'll drop the shine, up the shine, bitch I grind, bitch I grind. Okay, maybe we'll try one more song. Got some rap going. Maybe let's go for some... oh, some drum and bass. I think so. Got some Netsky, Storm Clouds. Give that a go. Definitely should have turned this up louder. There is a control to turn it up, like with this one, but I haven't set it up yet, so it's not working. But you can like adjust the controls. There's like swipe functions, touch functions, and you can set those to like different things to do in terms of your music player, like volume up, change song, go back, etc. Can also activate your like voice assistant with one of those. You can might touch it and then you might say like, where's a restaurant? And it will tell you in your ear where a restaurant is. So that's pretty cool. Just waiting for the drop. And as you can see, I'm dancing pretty hard here. They're not falling out. You could probably wear these to the club if you want to look like a loser, but or the gym. Oh, let's stop that. Cool. So I did try out the ambient aware and talk through. It sounds weird. It sounds like pretty much what it is. It's like the microphone picking up the sounds of the room. So it sounds like a bit tinny. I don't think it gives you like superhuman hearing or anything like that. That's honestly, that's what I thought it would do, but no, sadly. But yeah, so I'm pretty happy with these. I mean, the look is pretty cool. They seem like really good build quality. The sound's really good. It's a good brand, so I'm pretty happy for 110 bucks. If you see these maybe around Christmas, Boxing Day for around that price, look at getting some wireless earphones, earbuds, would totally recommend these. I mean, they're like half the price of AirPods, probably better sound quality. Yeah, pick them up if you are looking for that kind of thing. But thank you for watching, and I should have another unboxing video very soon.